Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these little Peeps bunnies. So let's get started. I'm working with a 5.5mm crochet hook and Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I'm going to start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring so you can close the hole, and that's every bit as good as the magic circle. Chain 1. To make a single crochet, insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join, and now you can see that I can just pull that yarn in and close up that hole. Chain 1, and I'm going to make a 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I reached the end of the row and I'm going to slip stitch to join. Okay, so I'm going to chain 1, and now I'm just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around until I get to the neck. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do this first row. I'm going to work all the way across. I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I've worked about 2 inches, so I'm going to go into the next stitch and pull up a loop, go into the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3 loops. Insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all 3 loops. So I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, I've done that all the way around and I've reduced for the neck. And so now I'm going to stuff it, and you could either use cotton balls or fiberfill. So if I use cotton balls, I usually take them apart like that, so it won't be as much of a ball. And I'm just going to stuff the cavity, but not too tightly because I want this to be flat. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to increase for the head, so I'm going to make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 2. I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, increasing, and now I'm back to my original number. So now I'm just going to continue to single crochet around until I have the head made. Okay, I've worked as many rows as I need for the head, and now I'm going to do the ears. So I'm just going to work halfway around to here. So single crochet in each stitch. And so now I'm just going to come right across, and I'm going to start working in a circle for the ear. And I'm going to work around and around to form the first ear. So I'm just single crocheting in each stitch all the way around. Okay, like that. And now that the ear is as long as I need it, I'm going to decrease the same as I did before until the top of the ear is closed. So I'm going to pull up 1 loop, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then do 2 together. So I'm going to do that all the way around until I've closed the top of the ear. Okay, I finished that ear and I fastened off, and I'm just going to pull that yarn end inside, and then I'm going to stuff the head and the ear. Like that. And now I'm going to do the other ear. So I'm going to attach my yarn, and I'm going to single crochet around. Like that until I have another ear the same as this one. Okay, I finished the other ear, and before I close it off, I'm going to stuff it. like that. And now I'm going to decrease and close it off. To make the eyes, I'm going to use some black yarn in a yarn needle. So bring that inside, and I'm going to take a couple of stitches here. And then I'm going to come down and go right back in, directly across, and do the other eye. Then I'll come back down here and I'll do the nose. Like that. And then I'll just come back out to the side, trim that off. And now you can attach a little bow at the neck. And there you have a crocheted Little Peeps. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.